Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel and I hope you enjoy this video as you watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually install your apps directly into your SD card or your memory card, or how you can also move your apps from your phone, existing app from your phone to your SD card. Okay, but before you can do all that, you have to be a developer. So to do all this, you will have to go to your settings. Okay, now once you get to your setting, if you are using a Techno mobile phone or any other phone, you can just click on the my phone. Okay, once you get to my phone, you will find this particular option where you have build number. So you have to click on it 7 times. Once you finish clicking on it, you find a pop-up message that you are not a developer, but already I'm a developer, so that's why it didn't display that way. So the next thing I'm going to do here now, after clicking on it, I will have to go to my system, go back to settings, then scroll down to system. You can see at the bottom we have developers option. Okay, so there is something you will need to enable in developers option before you can actually run your apps on your SD card or memory card. Okay, so let's open developers option. In developers option, you have to scroll down to look for that particular option. Okay, you just check on it. Then you go back. After you must have done doing that, you have to go to your storage. Okay, let's say you already have a memory card on your phone. If you don't have any memory card inserted, you just have to insert a memory card. Okay, so once you insert the memory card, you have to format it. Okay, so now I want to format this variable, and to do that, you will see 3 dots at the right hand side. You just click on the 3 dot. Okay, so once you click on it, you see this format or format internal, format as internal. So you just click on format as internal, continue, erase. Please formatting now. You just wait till it's formatted. Okay, now once you are here, you don't need to move content. You just click on move content later. Okay, you click on move content later and click on done. Now you are all done. You can see where your SD card is at this point. Before we formatted this SD card as internal, it was below this low storage management. Okay, now it's above the low storage management. Now the next thing you want to do here to move your apps to this very SD card or your memory card so that they can start running inside your SD card. So you have to go to you go back to your settings. For instance, you go to your settings again and click on app management. Okay, now you click on app settings. All right, now the apps you want to be running or you want to have in your memory card is the one you select from here. Let's click on, okay, for instance, we want to run this Adobe Acrobat on, or want to move it to our SD card. Once you click on it, you just go to storage, then you change the location. You can see it's on internal shared storage, so you cannot change it to SD. At this point, any app from Play Store will be installed directly into your SD card. Let's quickly check how it works. Okay, I just installed this new team mail. Let me go and find out where it was installed to. Okay, so you just go to your settings open app management, app settings, then search for the app, new thing, okay, new thing mail, go to storage. Then if you click on change now, you find out that it was stored to our SD card and not internal shared storage. You can actually move as many apps from your phone to your SD card. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any update. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.